What about traveling to one of the most old and fascinating civilizations in the world? There we go. Greece.
She's my head in regret. There might not be another vision. One that makes me forget. I wish I was another person. And we still try every night to go make sense of it. Fighting over love, still try every night to bound over something. Fighting over love, white powder to forget the taste of blood and how it burns it. They all think that they're safe, belated by the same old fence. Ghosts, and they steal ideas from your daughters, the one they won't fucking supply. I swear they kid off a divine and touched by them only fucking full of love. Someone lonely waiting for a time at some place where it makes sense. Lonely fucking touching something alive, and line, and light, and die. I let go of my pride for whatever reason. I'm free fighting, fighting, full of life. I let go, dissolved into desires that was not made for me. Oh, there's a sky. Take my hand and forget that I am just another woman.
Having unveiled the ancient mysteries of Athens, how stunning is the beauty of Naxos and the enchanting Peloponnese? What unforgettable memories await on this incredible journey? Let's jump into it.